Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about world's worst tragedies. Friends, we are humans. We are supposed to live a better life than animals, but we don't. In order to exploit the natural resources and to acquire new territories, we commit acts that are very shameful. So let's start. Number 1. First World War. First World War or the Great War was a global war that originated in Europe. It continued from 1914 to 1918. Over 90 lakh soldiers and 70 lakh civilians died as a result of the war. It was one of the deadliest international conflicts in the recorded history. Number 2. Second World War. Second World War was a global war that continued from 1939 to 1945. It was the most widespread war in history. It involved more than 10 crore people from over 30 countries. Over 6 crore people were killed in this war, which makes it the deadliest conflict in human history. India was deliberately dragged into both of the wars by the British and caused the death of numerous Indians. Number 3. Atomic attacks in Japan. During the final stage of Second World War, the United States dropped nuclear bombs on the Japanese twin cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki on 6 August and 9 August 1945 respectively. These two bombings killed at least 1,29,000 people. It remains the only use of nuclear weapons for welfare in history. Number 4. Bhopal gas tragedy. On the night of 2 December 1984, the Union Carbide pesticide plant in Bhopal began to leak methyl isocyanate gas and other poisonous toxins into the atmosphere. Over 5 lakh people were exposed and more than 15,000 died. In addition, more than 20,000 people have died from gas-related diseases since the accident. Number 5. The 3 Mile Island accident. It was a partial nuclear meltdown. It occurred on 28 March 1979 in Pennsylvania, United States. It was the most significant accident in US commercial nuclear power plant history. The accident was rated a 5 on the 7-point International Nuclear Event Scale. Number 6. Love Canal Industrial Tragedy. In the 1940s, a strange smell spread around the Love Canal near Niagara Falls. Residents also began to notice a leakage into their yards and people began to fall ill. In addition, many women had miscarriages and gave birth to babies with birth defects. Upon examination, it was discovered that there was over 21,000 tons of toxic industrial waste buried below the surface of the town by a local company. Number 7. The Exxon Valdez oil spill. It occurred in Prince William Sound, Alaska on the day of Good Friday, 24 March 1989. Exxon Valdez, an oil tanker struck at Prince William Sound's Big Reef and spilled about 14 crore liters of crude oil. It is considered to be one of the most devastating human-caused environmental disasters. Number 8. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill. It is also known as the BP oil spill and the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. Began on 29 April 2010 in Gulf of Mexico. It is considered the largest accidental marine oil spill in the history of the petroleum industry, as about 70 crore liters of oil spilled during this accident. 11 people went missing in this tragedy and were never found. So friends, this was all about world's worst tragedies. How was the video? Please write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.